Sorry for the mess. My hood hinge broke off. This piece broke off. Goes right there. I removed the rivet. Goes there. That one. Be making another one of these at a same thickness, same thing that actually came out of the truck also. And I will be cutting this rivet off too. I'm finding some bolts that I can get in there. So cut it, rectangle, square, whatever. And I'm gonna round my corners. I don't know if you can see my marks there. Can't really see it on this side, but this side too. And then I'll be installing it. So I'm ready to put it all back together. Here's my little plate I fabricated that was broken. Took off rivets. Took off 1, 2, 3, 4 rivets that go to the mounting plate right here. This is what I'm gonna use. Gonna end up using 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 5/16 3/4 bolts. I think these are 5/16-20. That's I guess the thread and the measurement of this. I got it right here. Oh, and one thing I forgot to buy. You're gonna buy washers too. You're gonna need washers. So I'm using whatever I can find around the house. This is obviously way thicker than that, but hey, I'm gonna make it work. So yeah, make sure you get at least 4 washers. So 4 of everything, 4 bolts, 4 of these things that I don't know what they're called. 4 of these locking nut thingies. Oh yeah, also forgot to buy nuts. You need 4 of these also. Finished product. Now whenever I want, I can take all that off, pull it apart, clean it real good, and paint it. Not ready for that right now. Okay, leave it there. Okay?
Okay. I can't see it.
Okay. Don't break. Just leave it on, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, those chicken poop is on your food.
It's okay.
You see? I want to hold it.
Still gotta adjust it, move it, line it up, but now I just gotta adjust it from that side, this side, play with it. But my problem was, since that piece broke, this part would pop out. But like I said, I just gotta adjust it.